Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Salisbury. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located 4 miles from the center of Salisbury, Maryland, this hotel is 5 minutes from Salisbury University. It features an indoor pool, billiard tables, and free Wi-Fi. The rooms at the Salisbury Hampton Inn are furnished with wood furniture and white linens. They are equipped with cable TV and the HBO channel. A coffee maker and work desk are provided. A continental breakfast with fresh fruit and pastries is served every morning at this hotel. A gym with cardio equipment and mounted TVs is located on site. Laundry and dry cleaning services are available. The beaches of Ocean City are 30 minutes from Hampton Inn Salisbury. The Wicomico Civic Center is 5 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.